Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech Madness. In this tutorial I am going to show you, teach rather how to insert internet settings on your mobile devices. And in my opinion these settings are faster as in better compared to the ones provided by the network provider. I am going to be as brief as possible, so let's begin. Do you feel the Become a tech freak just by watching videos on this channel because more like this are uploaded every Fridays. I have been asked this question a number of times and I thought why not make a tutorial, so that each one of us could have the knowledge. I have used this method and on many other devices it works 100%, I hope it works on yours as well. Okay, to do this it's very simple, all you have to do is locate your settings icon on your phone and look for wireless and networks. If you can see cellular network, click on it, but if there is more option like mine, click on it. Then cellular network. Look for APN, which stands for accessing point names. This is the important part, you would have to add, or edit the current one, if you are given like me. After that you will need to change the name to the network provider of your choice, which is the one you're using. Would also want to edit on APN. Type in, internet. And on port type in, 8080. And I forgot to mention it works for all networks. Then on authentication change to cheap. And on APN type in, default. And when you're done just save the settings. And make the one created one active. Sorry I forgot that I'm using Zamtel. Switch on your data. And there you go, that means you're connected. If you like the video please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below, and please don't forget to smash that bell icon to get notified first for new, awesome content. Thank you. I should fuck her in the Benz.